Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to remove these dotted lines in Excel. And so guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure you can do this yourself and this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, if you haven't already, is go ahead and open up Excel and either create a new workbook or select the Excel file that you want to edit. So guys, after selecting the file, as you can see currently here we have a table, and as you can see we have some dotted lines right here that we want to remove, and there is no way to remove them. So basically guys, what these dotted lines are they're a page break. So what you have to do to remove this page break is very easy. First guys, you want to go ahead, after seeing the page break, you want to go ahead and click into the upper left corner of this file option right here. So guys, go ahead and click on file, and now this will go again open up some options that you can use for editing your Excel work file. So what you want to do is select the last option right here at the left side of the screen called options. Go ahead and click on options guys, and now again this will give you a new window where you can select some options such as general, formulas, and so on. What you want to do guys is go ahead and click this option right here called advanced. Go ahead and click on advanced guys, and now as you can see we have entered the advanced column, and we want to scroll down until we find the option right here called show page breaks. You can see it is under this display options for this worksheet option. You want to click on show page breaks and you want to click that. After clicking on that guys and disabling, you go ahead and click on OK, and as you can see here guys, now you have successfully removed the dotted lines and you can no longer see them in your work file. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.